Wonderful.
Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my very easy, very minimal 5-step hair care routine. So ever since I've bleached my hair care routine has changed slightly, and I feel like the products that I've been using are really working on my hair, because when I bleached my hair, I was so worried about the quality and the health of my hair. It's taken me a lot of years to make my hair so like thick and healthy, and I did not want to lose that, so I tried a bunch of different combinations, a bunch of different products that would help my hair. So when I bleached my hair, initially my hair was so bad, it was fried from the bottom and I could see like the split ends, and it was just a bad situation overall. But I feel like the products that I've been using are very hydrating, have been really like doing good for my hair. So yeah, if you're interested in knowing what I use for my hair, then keep on watching. So before I get started with all the products, I just want to give you my 3 quick tips. So these 3 tips work really well for me, for the health of my hair. The first one is having nariyal pani every single day, almost every single day, with malai. I've noticed every time I have nariyal pani, my hair actually shines and I can see that my hair is healthy. I remember when I used to go to my nanny's place, I used to have like nariyal, kacha nariyal hota hai na, there every single day, and I could actually see like a difference in the thickness and the way my hair looked. So I've been trying to implement that, I think since a month, a little bit less than a month, and I can definitely see like a slight difference in the health of my hair. So that's my tip number 1. My second tip is to always braid your hair when you go to sleep, because when you go to sleep, there's a lot of friction and a lot of damage that your hair goes through. So a braid is the safest hairstyle in general. Also, it's ideal that you tie a braid rather than doing ponytails and buns. I am very guilty of doing ponytails and buns because they look good, but whenever I can avoid it, I avoid it at all costs. And then the third one is actually for like the health of your hair, like the scalp. It is to wash your hairbrush. I know this is such like a basic tip, but I feel like a lot of people don't do it, like forget to do it rather, and that just leads to a lot of dandruff and build up on your scalp. So definitely make sure to wash your hairbrush at least once a month. So yeah, those are my 3 tips. Now we can move on to the product. So the first product, I'm going to start off with a hair oil. So you guys know that I love coconut oil, and I still love the Merit VCO coconut oil. I love it, but recently I've noticed that my hair has been very dandruff prone. So I've switched to olive oil, and this is the brand that I use. It's been working really well for me. And one more thing that I've been doing ever since I've like colored my hair is every time I shampoo my hair, I always oil my hair in advance. I've never washed my hair without oiling it, because already my hair is so dry, I don't want to make it even more dry. So I'll oil it, I'll do like a nice 30-minute chumpy, and only then will I wash it. And the shampoo that I've been using currently is the Love Beauty Planet ka shampoo. It is the coconut water and mimosa flower variant, and it smells amazing. Now I will say one thing, if your scalp is very dry, I would say you could avoid using this shampoo, because this shampoo makes your scalp super like squeaky clean. Like if you have a lot of buildup, if you have a oily scalp, dandruff wala scalp, this shampoo works amazing for me, because I also have very like oily scalp. So this just like cleanses my scalp. But as I mentioned, if you have a dry scalp, I said scalp way too many times, but you guys get the point. If you have a dry scalp, use the Pantene wala shampoo. Like that works really well for me. It's the advanced hair fall solution. I really like that. Or even the Biolage one is amazing. Like the Biolage one is just so good. But for me currently, the Love Beauty Planet one has been working amazing. Moving on to step 3, which is to condition and kind of re-nourish your hair after the shampoo. So I've been actually skipping conditioner altogether, because I need something more. Like I need something very intense and very hydrating. If you want a conditioner recommendation, you can again use the Love Beauty Planet one. It smells so good and it's very hydrating. But for me personally, right now I just go in with a hair mask directly and I use that as a conditioner. So I've been using the L'Oreal's Extenso Care hair mask, and I have used that on my like regular unbleached hair as well, and it worked well for me then. But right now, I don't know why, it just works a lot better with my bleached hair. Like my hair just soaks in all the moisture and it just feels so nice and so soft after the hair mask. So I'll put like a bunch of hair mask in my hair, and then I'll use my shower cap and I'll put the shower cap on my head, and then I'll let the conditioner sit, the hair mask rather, sit for 3 to 5 minutes, I would say. That's when I like do my shaving and scrubbing and exfoliating and all of that. Pehle I would like skip on my conditioner and hair mask, but now with this kind of hair I just can't do that. Once I'm out of the shower, I have to use a serum, and the serum that I love is again by L'Oreal, and it is their 5-in-1 miracle oil. No, sorry, it's called the Extraordinary Oil Serum. Sorry, I like butchered the name completely. It's the best serum ever. I use like 8 pumps of it after I'm done, and then I'll like lather it in my like ends, not on my root obviously. So I use it as like a serum, but every night before I go to bed, I'll do like 4 pumps of it, lather it, rub it in, and then just distribute the product in the ends, and I'll tie a braid and then I'll go to sleep. I have to do this step, otherwise next morning my hair is frizzy and I can see that it's dry. This step has been helping my hair immensely. Definitely try it out if you have like very frizzy and very dry hair. This has definitely been helping me out. Don't do 4 pumps starting May. See what your hair likes, you know, because my hair I feel like just drinks up all the product that I give it. So 4 pumps works well for like the thickness of my hair, but definitely start with maybe just like half or 1 pump. And the last product that I use is a dry shampoo. Now I tried to give up dry shampoo beach mein, but I just can't do without dry shampoo because I have a very oily scalp, and also I have very like long hair, right? So I can't be like washing it every now and then, and I avoid washing it as much as possible. I'll wash it only once a week. That's how I'm like able to maintain all the oils in my scalp and just keep my hair healthy. So yeah, I love the Batiste dry shampoo. I've been loving the original variant recently. I like love the fragrance uska, but I keep going in and out like with the different variants that they have. But Batiste makes the best dry shampoo ever. And well, that was my product number 5, and we're done with my hair care routine. I used to have like such an intensive, lengthy hair care routine, and now it's like boiled down to only 5 products, and I really enjoy using these 5 products. They work really well for me, so I'm gonna make sure to link them for you guys in the description box below. I think that's it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, follow me on my Instagram, follow Simba Lifestyle, follow Skion, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.